The second-age Volkswagen Passat passed by the Quantum name in North America. The original Passat was known as the Dasher on these shores, and sold to a little however committed framework of American purchasers. Here's one of every Colorado self-serve destroying yard following a 31-year vocation in or close to the Rough Mountains. All Quantum Syncros sold in the United States accompanied the 5-chamber Audi motor. On the opposite side of the Atlantic, many kinds of VW, Audi 4 and 5-barrel fuel and diesel motors were accessible. This Quantum seems to have been sold new in Colorado, maybe investing some energy in the much snowier state toward the north. Colorado destroying years are fantastic galleries for devotees of low deals Volume 4 and all-wheel drive 1980s vehicles, from the Camry All-Track to the Beat all-wheel drive. These things had a tendency to be finicky and delicate, in any event by the guidelines of support disinclined American auto proprietors, so I was not stunned to discover the odometer perusing a normal of just shy of 5,000 miles for every year for the auto's lifetime. It's somewhat corroded, however nothing cataclysmic by the benchmarks of a 31-year-old Volkswagen item.